no Igbo before. Can they add water? Louis Bethel. Oh? Are you illegal? We've dined. We've wined. A lot of people made statements. We've been giving advice. We've shared the company of some very important people. Do you all agree that we've had a good time?
Yes.
I think we have. Without wasting too much time or mincing words, on behalf of the local organizing committee, all the women in the house, everybody that's had some input into this wonderful organization, I want to say thank you everybody for coming here today. I am by no means saying that you should go home. I'm just saying that dancing, eating still continues. But this is just part of the celebration. So I want to say thank you all for coming, and I want to wish you all a safe journey back to all your destinations. I also want to say a few more words. I would like the spirit of what we are doing today to continue. Not just to continue, I want it to grow and grow and grow and snowball into something that will help us all. So thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.